In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Satisfactory on your PC. So for the first step we will need to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So what we need to do is go to the search bar and we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and now search for the game Satisfactory. Select it and scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is currently €27.29. But we got a workaround, don't worry. What you need to do is open the video description and there will be a link which says find game here, and if you click on that link you will go to this website. Now search for Satisfactory on this website, and once you have done that select games on the left side. Now after that sort by and then price lowest first, and once you have done that you will find this game. Now the next step is to search for a option which is marked green, so it can be activated in your country. For me it is this one, so I will select this one, and as you can see I already can download this game for just €13.14 instead of €27. So that is a big difference. And once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key to activate this game through Steam and download it on your PC. Once you have done that, you are able to play this game Satisfactory on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!